So do you ever feel like that in Krishna consciousness? You want to quit and run away? So the Braja Gopis they're teaching us in this search for Krishna how to contain your desperation and replace your hopelessness with hope and keep searching. Because the Gopis don't give up. They don't just ask the trees, where's Krishna? They're not saying, oh, forget it, let's quit. Well, of course, that's a good idea also. But they don't do that. What do? They keep searching. So they keep searching for Krishna. Because as we'll see in the Ras Leela, Krishna is watching the Braja Gopis and waiting then at the right time and the ripe moment, Krishna is waiting to show himself and reveal himself to the Gopis, to accept their love and fill them with his love in return. So this is what we see. There's some parallel in the life of every sadhaka, in the progression in bhakti. We see this. So I made a conclusion on this point. And this will be my last few words on this verse 9. If we take the gopis' example of searching for Krishna, not giving up, although they're desperate, they're mad. Sukamuni says, they're vibram, bewildered, confused. Then he says, vibram. Then he says, pramad. Very, very intoxicated. They're mad, totally mad. Then he says, unmad. This is Mahabhav. They're totally exasperated. Where is Krishna? Even they're telling the trees, oh, Krishna. They're saying, Krishna, have you seen Krishna? Revealing the name of their paramour. So first, because are we even like that? The gopis are showing first the gopis are desperate. They've become desperate to see and meet and serve Krishna. It's a nice point because they're not desperate for themselves. They're not desperate or mad. I have to find Krishna. I'm so lusty, or I want to enjoy him, or I need to be with him. They're not thinking that. They're desperate. They're desperate to serve Krishna. We have to find Krishna. We have to keep searching and searching because their whole existence is based on pleasing and satisfying Krishna, like every devotee.